Okay, so what we've got here, we're going to do a polymer test. So we've got this spill mat, and when a hydrocarbon hits it, it turns into a solid rubber. And this is really new for us over here. And you can get mats in various sizes. So the advantage is as soon as the hydrocarbon hits it, it reacts with the polymer that's inserted inside the mat, and it turns into a solid as you see there. So this is a real breakthrough out in the field because we've got equipment sitting around, people putting jerry cans down, a shower of rain comes, all the contaminants just get on the ground. So what we're going to do is do a quick test. I've got some water in here which I'll just put a test strip in there to show you. So we'll see that hasn't changed colour. If hydrocarbon hits it, it will change colour. So what we've got here is some horrible diesel. We're going to pop that into the beaker, and we'll do the test, and you can all see from there. So it's changed into a horrible blue colour. So we've got the polymer here, and this is what's actually in the mat. We're going to leave that settle for a few seconds. So it's turned instantly into a solid, as you can see, which after a few minutes will get harder and harder. Now that is every
And this is where Nelson drinks the water.
I've been asked to drink and I've tasted it, but it's got a bit too much polymer. But as you can all see there, but no, I'm not into drinking it yet. So it doesn't matter where you can all see it's completely eliminated the hydrocarbon. So as you can see there, the huge advantages out there in the field. As soon as there's any diesel or drips or leaks, as soon as it gets into the pores of through the mat there, it turns into like a solid gel. Some of the questions we get asked is, how do we know when it's full capacity? It doubles in size, so the actual mat will double in size and obviously weight. So typically a mat that size there will contain up to 10 litres of hydrocarbon. There's various size mats. Some of the mats are considerably bigger, which take up to 40 litres of hydrocarbon. Obviously, the advantage is that you can just fold it up, put it in the back of the ute, go to site, put it down, put your equipment on site. It's a fantastic innovation, and that's the end result. And this will actually turn, once I clean all that powder off it, you'll get exactly that. So.
Awesome.
So the disposal method is still the same because it is still an actual hydrocarbon that's captured into a solid. It will still need the same disposal of contaminated waste. So there's no escaping that. The advantage is that it'll only absorb the amount of hydrocarbon. So 1 litre spills on that mat, you can still keep using that mat because it'll just keep spreading. Every time you use that mat, raw hydrocarbon, it will just keep spreading through the mat until the mat gets to a point where it gets considerably.